Hey folks, welcome to my new series, This Day in History, where we will deep dive into history and get to know various interesting facts and events which happen on this day. On this day, 4th August 1944, the secret annexee in Amsterdam, where Annie Frank and 7 others were hiding, was discovered by the Gestapo. All were sent to concentration camps, with only Otto Frank surviving. Anneliese Marie Annie Frank was a German-Dutch diarist of Jewish heritage. One of the most discussed Jewish victims of the Holocaust, she gained fame posthumously with the 1947 publication of The Diary of a Young Girl, originally Het Achterhuis in Dutch or The Secret Annexee in English, in which she documents her life in hiding from 1942 to 1944 during the German occupation of Netherlands in World War II. It is one of the world's best-known books and has been the basis for several plays and films. Born in Frankfurt, Germany, she lived most of her life in or near Amsterdam, Netherlands, having moved there with her family at the age of 4 and half when Adolf Hitler and Nazi Party gained control over Germany. Born a German national, she lost her citizenship in 1941 and thus became stateless. By May 1940, the Franks were trapped in Amsterdam by the German occupation of the Netherlands. As persecutions of Jewish population increased in July 1942, the Franks went into hiding in some concealed rooms behind a bookcase in the building where Anne's father, Otto Frank, worked. From then until the family's arrest by the Gestapo in August 1944, she kept a diary she had received as a birthday present and wrote it in regularly. Following their arrest, Franks were transported to concentration camps. On November 1, 1944, Anne and her sister Margaret were transferred from Auschwitz to Bergen-Belsen concentration camp, where they died probably of typhus a few months later. They were originally estimated by the Red Cross to have died in March, with Dutch authorities setting 31st March as their official date of death. But research by Annie Frank House in 2015 suggests it is more likely that they died in February. Otto, the only survivor of Frank's family, returned to Amsterdam after the war to find that her diary had been saved by his secretary, Maep Gellis, and his efforts led to his publication in 1947. It was translated from its original Dutch version and first published in English in 1952 as The Diary of a Young Girl and has since been translated into over 70 languages. That's it, friends. That's all we have for today. We'll catch up tomorrow morning again at the same time, at the same place. Till then, please do take care of yourself and be safe.